Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Before we move into the topic, if you want the latest IT career updates, job vacancy requirement updates, make sure to subscribe to this channel. Follow, like, share, and click the bell icon. Now, let's get into the topic. Are you ready to master NoSQL databases and step into the world of modern data management? In today's data-driven industry, companies rely on flexible and scalable databases, and that's where MongoDB Inc. technology comes in. Introducing our MongoDB Fresher Package, designed especially for beginners who want to learn document-based data storage from scratch and build real-world skills. In this course, you'll understand how document-based data storage works and why it's different from traditional relational databases. You'll learn to perform CRUD operations, design efficient collections, and work with powerful aggregation pipelines to analyze data effectively. We'll also guide you through indexing techniques to optimize performance and replication strategies to ensure data availability and scalability, skills that are essential for real production environments. Throughout the program, you'll gain hands-on experience using industry tools like MongoDB, Mongoose, and cloud deployment with MongoDB Atlas, along with visualization and management using Compass. Course details. Duration, 6 weeks. Course fee, 16,000 rupees only. Includes CRUD operations, aggregation, indexing, and replication concepts. By the end of this training, you'll have the confidence to design, manage, and scale NoSQL databases for modern applications. So, if you're looking to strengthen your back-end development skills, this is the perfect place to start. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Start your MongoDB journey today and take the next step toward becoming a skilled developer.